Are you wondering, is drinking collagen good for you? Or does collagen powder drink work? Also, what is the best drink for collagen powder? Or even which brand of collagen drink is the best? I know it can be confusing, but by the end of this video, you'll know the answers to all of these questions about collagen powder drink and what it can do for you, your body, inside and out. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy Paulsen, essential oil educator and certified health coach. I've been teaching about the power of smart supplements like collagen powder drinks and essential oils for over 12 years. And as someone with an MBA in marketing, I know that there is a lot of garbage out there when it comes to collagen powder drinks. Make sure to stick around to the end. I have a gift that you don't want to miss if you're looking to use a collagen powder drink or collagen peptides to improve the look of your skin, lose weight, slow the aging process, or you're wanting support for your joints and muscles. So is drinking collagen powder good for you? Studies have shown that daily collagen supplements can help make your bones denser, slowing the aging process that makes them brittle and helping your body to produce new bone. Oral collagen supplements have been shown to improve skin hydration and elasticity for older people. They also help to lessen wrinkles. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's the main component of all your connective tissues that make up several body parts, including your tendons, ligaments, skin, and muscles. Collagen has many important functions, including providing your skin with structure and strengthening your bones. But our own natural production of collagen begins to decrease in our mid-20s. That's why we start seeing the signs of aging as we start approaching our 30s. And you might wonder, does collagen powder drink work? It really depends on the powder. There are 28 types of collagen, but here are the 4 most common. Type 1 is the most common type found in all connective tissue. Type 2 collagen is found in your joints and intervertebral discs. So that's the cushions that serve as your spine's shock absorbers. Lose this and you will have some pretty serious chronic back pain. Type 3 collagen is the main component of reticular fibers, which are found in the skin and blood vessels. Think younger looking skin and cardiovascular health. Type 4 collagen is a component of your kidneys, inner ear, and eye lenses. So in recent years, collagen supplements have become popular. Some are hydrolyzed, which means the collagen has been broken down into individual peptides to make it easier to absorb. The types of collagen found in supplements vary. Most collagen powder drinks and products only feature 1 or 2 collagen peptides, usually the collagen types that are most relevant to skin beauty, elasticity, and wrinkles. There's a new collagen powder drink called Metapower that has those types of collagen too, but it includes 9 unique collagen peptides. This emphasizes the whole body role of collagen and overall healthy aging. In addition to being powdered, this collagen is also hydrolyzed, meaning it's cut down into specific tripeptide fragments versus individual peptides, which dramatically increases its bioavailability. In fact, it has shown to be 12 times more absorbable than other collagen powder drinks on the market. Also, several foods may naturally increase your collagen intake, including pork skin and bone broth. Most collagen powder drinks are made from bovine or the skin of the hide of animals, which kind of grosses me out thinking about it. That's why I actually prefer collagen powder drinks that come from marine-based collagen sources. And I'll share with you the new collagen powder drink I've been using in just a minute, but within just a couple of days, the dry skin that I was struggling with for over 9 months went away. Within 5 days, I noticed my joints hurt less and I was more flexible. I could actually touch my nose to my knee when stretching, and this hasn't happened since high school. I've also lost 7 pounds and I've kept it off. I have more energy and more muscle mass. What is the best drink for collagen powder? I know that there's a fad around putting collagen powder in a hot drink like coffee, but the high temperature can actually be damaging to the ingredients in the powder. I prefer to put my collagen powder drink mix into just plain water. It tastes great, it's citrusy. You can also mix it into smoothies. And another way I like my collagen powder drink is in sparkling water. I just shake it up in my shaker bottle and I enjoy it. It's phenomenal. And before I share which brand of collagen drink I love the most, can you put in the comments what you're wanting to hire collagen to do for you? So which brand of collagen drink is the best? First, you need to select one that is hydrolyzed, which makes it easy to absorb. Don't buy collagen protein where it's the full protein chain. If you are wanting the most benefit from collagen powder drinks, then you'll want to make sure that you're getting the tripeptides. Because with the whole collagen protein, your body has to break it down into the individual peptides. This is inefficient. Also, make sure that you get the collagen powder drink that has those tripeptides, not just peptides. Why this is important is because if you are trying to hire peptides to do certain jobs in your body, say improve saggy skin, or maybe you want to reduce back pain, you first need the right peptides. But also, if they are already in a tripeptide chain, meaning that they are already put together in a form that your body can easily use for your skin or for your joints, then your body doesn't have to work so much. If you just take individual peptides, then your body has to put them together and also guess at how you want those peptides to be used. Taking tripeptides makes it easier for your body to use the collagen powder drink for the areas of your body you want to work on. I know that Vital Protein is popular, but I'm not a fan after using it for years. I never saw immediate or noticeable changes in my body. I don't love that it's made from bovine either. The collagen powder drink I use now is Metapower Advantage because within just a couple of days, like I said, my extremely dry skin was hydrated. Just in 2 days. And I had been trying many different moisturizers and I had been using Vital Protein Collagen and it was still excessively dry. Within 5 days, I was feeling more flexible. And like I said, I lost weight, I had less pain in my back and my knee, more energy and better mental clarity and focus. And these were measurable. I could tell that it was working. And I'll put a link in the description where you can see the results of many others who have been using the Metapower system. Metapower Advantage contains 9 types of collagen peptides from marine sources, which may improve skin elasticity, density, and firmness, and support lean muscle and connective tissue. The thing that I also love is that this collagen powder drink doesn't just contain collagen. It also contains NMN and resveratrol, increasing NADH and NAD+ production in the body and activating the SIRT longevity genes. And here's a little bonus on why you may want to use collagen powder drink versus a liquid collagen drink. Collagen powder drinks like Metapower Advantage come in single-serve hydrolyzed powder format. It is activated by you when you mix with water before consuming it for a more active and bioavailable delivery system at the time of consumption. But most of the pre-packaged liquid collagens are using a process to sterilize their water-based delivery system. This not only eliminates the harmful bacteria, it also eliminates the beneficial active ingredients like vitamins, flavonoids, and polyphenols. Despite this process, they're actually less shelf stable, usually become inactive within 2 months. It also means that you are shipping heavy water around the globe, increasing carbon emissions. I also like Metapower Advantage because it is gluten-free, dairy-free, corn-free, and keto-free. The products in the Metapower Advantage also are free of maltodextrin, carrageenan, glyphosate, artificial sweeteners, and added sugars. Metapower Collagen Powder Drink also contains essential oils known for supporting a healthy metabolism as well. As a certified health coach, this is a big win-win-win. Powdered collagen, NMN, and a bonus ingredient that increase the benefits of the drink. As promised, I have a fun bonus for you if you're wanting to use collagen powder most effectively for things like muscles, joints, ideal weight, better fat burning, stable energy throughout the day, a body that heals quickly, the ability to get deep sleep each night, less brain fog, clear healthy skin, and reduced wrinkles, flexible joints and muscles, sustained exercise endurance, level glucose in your blood, or slowing the aging process, you can find the link in the description for my metabolic makeover class. You'll get access to my 30-day challenge and check out the results of those who have been doing the challenge as well. The link is below. You can check it out to see if it could help you reach your goals faster, and it's all free. Click the subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Coming up next week, I will be sharing my video on metabolic flexibility and the power of intermittent fasting when coupled with Metapower Advantage. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you missed last week's video on tightening your skin exercises, and natural anti-aging tips, you can watch it here. These exercises coupled with collagen powder drink create amazing results.